Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to use autosave new charging station feature. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Find and select the settings icon located at the top of the screen. If you tap the settings icon, you've got access to a list of all settings that you can use on the following car. We are now interested in EV, so let's find this EV section. Now, if you have the EV, let's here choose autosave new charging station. And basically, you can now control which types of charging location the car will automatically remember. You can select here to autosave quick chargers, so this refers to DC fast chargers. You can enable the standard here also, so this refers to AC chargers, the most common type found in shopping malls, public lots, and for example home wall box. You can also enable trickle even. So this refers to level 1 charging using a standard cable, so of course it's the slowest one, but if you would like to save this one, it will also work. In my case, let me just disable the standard and trickle. I would like to autosave only the quick chargers. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.